Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Now we continue topic 9 differentiation, lecture 1 of 4, part 1 of 3. I'm Madam Saada. 9.1 Derivative of a function. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to A. Find the derivative of a function fx using the first principle. F prime x, or the derivative of a function fx, is equals to limit when h approaches 0 for a function fx plus h minus fx over h. B. Discuss the differentiability of a function at x equals to a. Means f prime a must equals to limit when x approaches a from the left for the function fx minus fa over x minus a equals to limit when x approaches a from the right for the function fx minus fa over x minus a. C. Apply the rule of differentiation, that is basic rule and sum rule. 9.1 Derivative of a function. If given a function y equals to fx, the derivative of y with respect to x or dy dx is equals to f prime x equals to limit when h approaching 0 for fx plus h minus fx over h. This is called the first principle. Fx is the gradient of a tangent to the curve y equals to fx also. The process of finding f prime is called differentiation. The notation that is sometimes used if y equals to fx is dy dx or y prime x or d dx fx or f prime x. For example, the derivative of y equals to x cubed can be written as d dx x cubed or just dy dx. Let's take a look at example 1. By using first principle, find f prime x for each of the following. A. Fx is equals to 2x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 5. So what we need to do here is we need to expand the function to get 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. To use the formula, we need to find f of x plus h. That is, you have to substitute x with x plus h. So we will get 2 times x plus h squared minus 9 times x plus h minus 5. Then we will get f prime x is equals to the limit when h approaching 0 for, now you substitute. What is f of x plus h? Okay, so you substitute here. Minus fx. So what is fx? 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. Then don't forget to divide by h. Then we expand. After that, you can cancel out 2x squared. Then we cancel out negative 9x. And we can cancel out negative 5. Then we get the simplest form, that is 2h squared plus 4xh minus 9h over h. Then what we need to do is we will do 2 things here. Firstly, we need to factorize h here, the numerator. Then after you factorize h, you need to cancel out h. Then you substitute h equals to 0 here. Then you will get the answer. So what is the answer? After you substitute h equals 0 here, you will get 4x minus h. Okay, understand? Let's continue with B. Given fx equals to third x, so what is f prime x by using first principle? F prime x is given by limit when h approaching 0 for third x plus h minus third x over h. Then we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the conjugate of numerator, that is z x plus h plus z x. Then we simplify the numerator first. We will see that this expression will become z x plus h squared minus z x squared. For the denominator will remain the same. So don't forget to write the word limit when h approaching 0 every time you write. Until when you substitute, then you have to don't write. Limit when h approaching 0 equals to x plus h minus h after you simplify. So x here will cancel out. Then you will get limit h approaching 0 for h over h. Then h is cancelled out by h. Then we will get the answer when you substitute h here by 0. So the answer is 1 over 2 z x. Then we continue next example. C. fx equals to 1 over 3x plus 5. So find out what is fx plus h, 1 over 3x plus h plus 5. So f prime x is equals to limit when h approaching 0 for 1 over 3 times x plus h plus 5 minus fx. That is 1 over 3x plus 5. And don't forget to divide by h. Simplify the expression, you will get 3x plus 5 minus 3x plus h plus 5. Then over 3 times x plus h plus 5 plus 3x plus 5. Then you have to multiply by 1 over h. Then we cancel out 3x and 3x. We also 5 minus 5. Then you will get negative 3h for the numerator. For the denominator, still the same. Then you cancel out h. Then we get the simplest form is like this. Now the function is ready to be substituted with the value h equals to 0 here. So what is the answer? The answer is negative 3 over 3x plus 5 squared. Okay. Okay, now I will continue for the next subtopic. That is derivative of a function at a point x equal a. So we want to find out what is the derivative of a function when you are given a point. For example, x equals to a. So the derivative of a function fx at a point x equals to a is given by the formula f prime a is equals to limit when h approaching 0 for f of a plus h minus fa over h. Okay, or we have another example. F prime a equals to limit when x, okay, please take a note, here is not his but x approaching a for function fx minus fa over x minus a. You can use both of the formula to get the value for f prime a, but for the next example I will use the lower one, this one, the second one. Okay, let's take a look at the next example. By using first principle, find f prime a for each of the following. So for a, fx equals to x squared plus 3. A is given equals to 3. So what is f prime of 3? Okay, we start A first. So by using the second formula, so you need to find out what is f prime a given by limit when x approaching a you substitute with 3, then f x minus f a. So fx is x squared plus 3 minus, this one is fa. So what is fa? You substitute x with a. Then we get 3 squared plus 3 over x minus a. So x minus 3. Just substitute the value into the function. Then you will get limit when h approaching 3, 4. Then you simplify the expression. You will get x squared plus 3 minus 12 over x minus 3. Then we get for the numerator x squared minus 9. You factorize, then you cancel out at minus 3 with at minus 3, then substitute 3 into x here. Then you will get the value that is 6. Okay, you can check this answer by using rule that we will learn after this. Okay. What about B? B fx equals to 1 over third x plus 1. So what I do here is, when a equals to 8, what I do here is, I substitute fx by 1 over x plus 1 minus, I substitute minus 1 over third 9 over x minus a. What is a? A equals to 8. Okay, a equals to 8. Okay, then how to simplify? So firstly we simplify the numerator. 1 over third 9 is 3. So equalize the numerator. I will get 3 minus third x plus 1 over 3 times third x plus 1. This is the numerator. Then divide by x minus 8. That is, I multiply with 1 over x minus 8. This is the denominator. Okay, then as usual, to simplify, we need to multiply by the conjugate of the numerator. So please take a note that when the value here is minus, you have to change the value to plus. Okay, so I multiply by the conjugate of the numerator, that is 3 minus third x plus 1. Okay, then we simplify. For this expression, a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So here we get 9 minus x plus 1. So the denominator remain the same. Then we simplify to get negative x minus 8. Then we cancel out x minus 8 to get the simplest form is like this. Then you substitute x here with 8, and the answer is negative 1 over 54. Okay, please take note that when I substitute the value x equal to 8, I don't write the words limits here. Okay, you don't have to write it when you substitute the value x equals to 8.